Cleveland Equipment Company's foot-operated heat impulse sealers are used to seal PVC and polyethylene bags, as well as other types of bags and film. These machines are most commonly used in areas of food packing, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, agriculture, retail, and more. Built with a rugged metal body, the foot-operated heat impulse sealer is ideal for the industrial setting. These machines are easy to operate and maintain. Available in 14-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch lengths, these sealers are versatile to fit your needs. No warm-up time is needed, and they are ready to seal as soon as the power is on. And the pedal operation keeps both hands free to position your bag or pouch. And to make this machine even more user-friendly, we made it taller, raising the seal jaw